Dear students, today we will talk about population growth. Here we will see various factors that affect the size of the population, or we can say population density. As all of us know that population density or population size, which is one and the same thing, it is not a static characteristic. Population size keeps on changing depending on the factors that influence the size of the population. So here we will talk about 4 different factors and their influence on the population size. Here you can see that with every factor one sign is given. This sign is indicative of the type of influence of this factor on the size of the population. For example, with natality, positive sign is given. That means this factor will increase the population density. On the other hand, with mortality, negative sign is given. That means mortality will result in decrease in the population density. Similarly, immigration results in increase in population density and emigration results in decrease in population density. So here we can see that depending on the type of the factor, the population density can increase or it can decrease. So one by one we'll see what are these factors. We'll start with natality. Natality is the number of births in a given population in a given period. So births will add individuals to a population. So the number of individuals in a given population, it will increase. So the size of the population will also increase. That's why with natality, positive sign is given. What is mortality? Mortality is the number of deaths in a given population in a given period. So the death will result in the decrease in the number of individuals in a given population. So that will result in the decrease in the size of the population. Now, what is immigration? Immigration and emigration, they are not related to number of births or deaths. Here, this concept is related to migration of organisms or individuals of same species from this population to somewhere else or from somewhere else to this population. So let's see what is immigration. With immigration, positive sign is given. That means this factor will result in the increase in population. So what is immigration? Immigration is migration of individuals of the same species from somewhere else to this population. So that will add individuals to this population. So population size will increase. On the other hand, emigration is removal of individuals or migration of individuals from this population. Individuals will move out of this population. So the total number of individuals will decrease because of emigration. So here that's why negative sign is given and the size of the population or population density will reduce. It will decrease. So here 4 different factors are given and what is their influence on the population size is also described with the help of the signs that are given with it. So these are 4 important factors that affect the size of the population. Thank you.